Overlooking the Evoian Sea, this home is a project renovation of a 1970s modernist home in Evoia, Greece, that involved stripping the building back to its concrete structure to create a series of minimalist living spaces. Grid House is originally two separate apartments into a single home with large windows and patio areas. The external board-marked concrete and brickwork has been finished with gray paint, complemented by the metal finishes of the balustrades, window, and door frames. At the north of the home, a new floating staircase connects the previously separate floors, which now contain bedrooms on the ground floor and a large living, kitchen and dining space and guest room on the first floor. On the first floor, the living spaces have been set back and the structural grid opened up to create semi-covered terrace spaces along the home's western side, framed by thin steel columns and metal balustrades. Inside, the clean, modernist details of the interior have been retained and complemented by the addition of colorful accents such as a pink stair balustrade, timber joinery and furniture and marble countertops. A large paved patio space extends around the front of the home, with sliding glass doors giving the ground floor bedrooms direct access to the outside. A landscaped garden with a swimming pool surrounds the home and cascades down towards the sea, overlooked by an outdoor seating area sheltered by a concrete-framed pergola. Here's a look at the floor plans of the home.